In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free website or blog using WordPress.com. If you're looking to dive into the world of blogging or just need a space online for your personal project, WordPress.com's free plan might be just what you need. This plan hosts your site on a WordPress subdomain like yourname.wordpress.com, and while it includes some limitations in customization and features, it's perfectly suitable for personal blogs or small projects. And if down the road you find yourself needing more control or advanced features, WordPress does offer options to upgrade to a paid plan or to transition to a self-hosted site on WordPress.org. So let's kick off the creation of your free site on WordPress.com. First, head over to WordPress.com and click on Get Started. You will need to provide a valid email address, create a unique username, and set a strong password to get your account going. Don't forget to confirm your account through the email if prompted. This will establish your global WordPress.com account, giving you access to the platform's features and tools. Next, when you're asked to choose a plan, go ahead and select the free plan. Choosing this plan will get you a subdomain, such as your site WordPress.com or your site home.blog. Be sure to pick the option that's clearly marked as free to continue without any charges. Now it's time to pick your site address. Enter a desired name for your site and select an available domain in the free options you see, usually in the format of your site WordPress.com. Since you're on the free plan, there's no need to purchase a custom domain at this stage. Choosing a theme is your next step. WordPress.com offers a variety of free themes, so take a look around and activate one that aligns with the style and feel you envision for your blog. You'll have the opportunity to customize your theme further by adjusting colors, typography, and layout via the WordPress.com customizer. Once your site's basic look is set, it's time for customization. Head over to the site settings to edit your site's title, tagline, and site icon, also known as a favicon. Use the customizer to tweak the colors, fonts, and overall layout. Be sure to add pages like a home page, a blog page, and any other essential pages you need. With your foundation laid, you can create your first post, navigate to the Post tab and click on Add New. Write your first article, add some media, and hit Publish. You might also consider creating critical pages such as your About page and privacy policy, which can be added later as your site evolves. Before launching, make sure you configure your basic site settings, enable site search, and get a simple navigation menu in place, including pages like Home, Blog, and About. Check your site's visibility settings to ensure it's set to public, which is the default on the WordPress.com free plan. Finally, it's time to launch and promote your site. Share your URL with friends and across social media platforms or within communities. Engage with readers by subscribing to comment notifications and responding to build momentum. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials.